Bling! Huh?
Hi everybody, welcome back to Daily Doodles, and today we are going to draw a cute little Hello Kitty as Frankenstein. So I actually have a cute little Hello Kitty Frankenstein toy. This came from a McDonald's Happy Meal back in 2013. So this is fairly old now, and I always thought it was super cute, but I never drew it. So today I'm going to draw it, and I'm going to show you how to draw it too. So before we get into that, feel free to like and subscribe to this channel. It really helps out a lot. All right, so first things first, I'm going to start with her bow. So let's see. I'm going to do a little circle. And then we've got one side of the bow. And then the other side of the bow. And now she has like a little like C shape in each part of the bow. Okay, now I'm gonna put her ear here behind the bow. And then we're gonna come across and we're gonna do her other ear. And now we're gonna continue on with the rest of her face shape. Make it all match up. All right, so now we got her face shape drawn. And we know that Frankenstein Hello Kitty has like this big scar here. So let's do that. Big scar. Thick little line here, thick little line there. These are all the Frankenstein stitches. Okay, and then the rest is going on there, but we can't see it because the bow's in front of it. So now I'm going to do her little nose. Okay, and then on either side is basically the exact same shape for her eyes as the nose is, but it's just turned up straight instead of on the side. So one eye, two eye. See if I can make them match a little bit better. Okay. Now I'm gonna give her little whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now Hello Kitty. Well, Frankenstein Hello Kitty. We've got a little triangle here. And then she's going to have her little hands. Like that. Same on the other side. Okay. Now, we're going to do a line here. Line above that. This is going to be the belt of her outfit. And over here we've got a little heart, okay, on the chest of her outfit, of her dress. And then her little Frankenstein dress has all these little like rips in it. It's not the fanciest outfit she's ever worn. Okay, now her little legs. One little leg and two little leg. All right, now color time. So for Frankenstein Hello Kitty, we only need a green, a pink, and a gray. So I'm gonna go in with the pink first and color in her bow. And the other things that are going to go pink are the little heart on her outfit and the belt of her outfit. And that's it for the pink. So Pink isn't really the main color here. The main color we're going to be using is green. Okay, now we're done with the pink. Now I'm going to go in with gray. So I'm going to make her little nose gray. And her outfit, the rest of her outfit, everything that's not pink on her outfit. And under here. Okay, and now we're gonna go in with our green. So I start with the ears. One ear, two ear. And then go in the rest, color in the rest of her head. Okay, now her neck and her arms, other arm, and the little feet. One little foot, two little foot. Alrighty, so okay folks, we are done our little Frankenstein Hello Kitty, and I think it turned out pretty cute. I think it looks a lot like the McDonald's toy I was looking off of. So let me know in the comments below, please, what you think of this illustration, what you think of this little how to draw tutorial, and let me know in the comments too what you would like to see drawn next, what you would like to learn how to draw next, and also feel free to like and subscribe, don't forget. And I'll see you folks next time. Join us tomorrow for our next Daily Doodle. All right, everybody, bye-bye. Have a good day. Have fun drawing.